All right, in big controversy that's emerging over the vaccine deadline, the ICMR has stirred up a controversy by setting up, it seems, 15th August deadline for Covaxin, which is a corona vaccine contender in partnership with Bharat Biotech. Because now the left party's CPI General Secretary Sitaram Yechury has attacked Modi government and he's called this an unrealistic deadline. And taking to a series of Twitter reactions, Yechury has said the world is waiting for a safe vaccine which is universally accessible. But scientific advances can never be made to order, forcing development of an indigenous vaccine as a cure for COVID-19, bypassing health and safety norms to be announced simply by Prime Minister Modi on Independence Day could be fraught with horrendous human costs. These are claims coming in from Yechury. He's further questioned, why is ICMR even using threats to get institutions to fall in line? Milan Sharma attacking the Health Ministry and this controversy as well. Milan, just for the benefit of our viewers, this statement that has come from the left parties is aiming at what point made by the ICMR? What are the opposition saying?
So, Pooja, the opposition has pointedly said that how can ICMR bully Britain by August 15, and that is what has created the controversy when ICMR wrote to Bharat Biotech in the letter which says they envisage a launch on August 15. The questions raised by Sitaram Yechury are also pertinent at this point from a scientific standpoint. The CTRI documents that we have accessed on India Today also state that the company itself said that it will take at least 15 months, 1 year and 3 months to complete these trials. But if they are looking at any sort of launch by 15th August, there is hardly any time. As you can see, there's no time at all. So how can they squeeze in the entire 15-month trial into such a short span of time to look at a launch by August 15th? Who are the members of the safety committee that would be looking at evidence of safety? Because that is the big question, the safety of the vaccine and not the timing of the launch of the vaccine. So these are some pertinent questions that are being raised by the opposition. Yes. Also, for the fact that human trials are at a very crucial stage right now, it's also possible that these 12 centers where the trials will be done could have an adverse effect of the vaccine.
Correct.
Another very important point, Pooja, and I'll end this shortly, is that ethical clearances have still not been given to all these centers, and we're already in under 1 week of July. So how is that possible?
That's an important point. It's not just about ethics. It's also about safety. It's also about a proper timeline that needs to be there for a safe vaccine to come up. Milan, please keep tracking all the latest. Milan Sharma has been tracking this controversy.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.